Components. The pump consists of a cylinder block driven by a shaft. The cylinder body has 7 or 9 radial cylinders with pistons fitted unit. Slippers are connected to the piston by a gudgeon pin. The slippers are free to oscillate on their gudgeon pins and fit into tracks in the floating rings. Operation. When the floating ring is in the mid position, there will be no pumping action. When the floating ring is pushed to one side due to eccentricity, the cylinder block rotates the pistons, reciprocating in their respective cylinders. As the piston rotates back, it sucks the oil in, and when the piston moves towards the center, it delivers back the oil. In the graphic, notice the floating ring is to the left, and it can be seen that the piston starts moving out as it reaches the lower portion, and it moves inwards as it goes up. Thus the pump takes suction from the lower ports, and at the upper ports the pump discharges. This floating ring can be moved to the left or right during operation to change the direction of flow.